short nasty video illustrating where to find bullseye information on the various screens within the DCS F-18. We're not going to look at when or how you use this, but just where to find it. This is for guys just coming into air-to-air and want to start making calls, whether to GCI or to their flight of incoming bogies, or what they're doing or where they're going. So instant action, Caucasus, free flight, pops you out above Batumi. We'll have a look at the F-10 map. We see on the F-10 map that we're down here and the bullseye is north of us, just north of Potty. Let's put the mission editor stage, take the pulls off. Okay, we'll run them. First thing what I need to do is go into the HSI page to go to waypoint 59. Just go down, scroll down through the mark points, then you're on 59. Go to data. On the left hand side, air-to-air waypoint, box that, and it says 59. The computer now knows that waypoint 59 is the bullseye. If you look across on the radar screen, right hand side, you'll see that some information has appeared at the bottom, just above the bottom line, and that's our current position from the bullseye. So at the moment we're 30 miles, a bearing of 166 from bullseye to us. Okay, go back out of HSI, look at the HSI on the left hand side, you'll see an icon, just a little circle with a dot in it. That's a visual representation of where your bullseye is in comparison to you in the center of the screen, taking into account the scale that you have it set at. 360, 80, 40, it's there. If we go to the SA page, it's replaced with a large circle, 59 in the middle, and an arrow. That arrow always points north. So you're looking at, you can see where you are, you can see where the bullseye is, and you can see that the bullseye always points north. Go across back to our radar, and if we make it soy, bring the cursor out, the information at the top here that is changing as I move the cursor about is the bullseye information to the center of this cursor mark. So currently that there is 18 odd miles, 121 from bullseye. Down at the bottom you've got a bra call, which is bearing range angle from you. So from you, your plane, to here is 39 degrees 12 miles. Going back up to the top, to the left of the bra information, you'll see a diamond indication with a arrow. Alright, it's just disappeared and it's starting to come down. On your radar screen, that is the visual indication of where the bullseye is in relation to the scale that you have. If it's not going to be visual on the screen, it disappears up to the top there, because now it's just come into view, it's there. So if I bring my cursors over to it, you'll see that the numbers all come down to around about the 0 fact, because it's looking at itself 0, 0. I'm not going to fiddle around with it, but that's just a general way of doing things. So that is there. Let's turn towards the bullseye. Look at the left hand side, the SA page. Look at the arrow on the circle with 59 in the middle, and you'll see it is constantly pointing towards north on the outer ring. Again, look on the radar and look at the arrow on the diamond, and you'll see that is always changing to north. That's it, folks.